Welcome to Ampicus Aesthetics. We are going to teach you the 8-point facelift using the cannula technique. This helps to reverse the signs of gravity and give your clients a more definitive profile working against gravity.